Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
While everybody centers around Bitcoin and Ethereum, different open doors probably won't be on many individuals' radar. The OMG tokens are in the information at their vertical cost forecasts and getting more financial backer consideration due to how they perform contrasted with the opposition. OMG network is gradually taking off, acquiring market inclusion. The most recent news inclusion of this underestimated coin is getting additional consideration from the market-changing exchanging choices. We should figure out more about the OMG network project and the story behind it. The overview of OMG network. OMG network is a layer 2 scaling arrangement that is worked for the Ethereum blockchain. It permits clients to move ETH and ERC20 tokens less expensive and quicker than making those exchanges straightforwardly on the Ethereum network. The OMG network was established by Chatok Avangi, a Thai resident working as an auxiliary of Sinca, which is a Thailand-based fintech organization. It is a decentralized, public organization that permits high throughput, minimal expense, shared exchanges. With it, anybody can execute as team across geologies, resource classes, and applications. The OMG network permits one to get to, make do, and execute utilizing computerized resources that are put away safely on the blockchain. The organization depends on a scaling arrangement known as more viable plasma. It utilizes a sidechain engineering to make a group of a few exchanges, which can then be confirmed utilizing a solitary exchange on the Ethereum root chain. As per OMG network, this innovation can possibly scale Ethereum to great many exchanges each second. This is way higher than whatever Ethereum 1.0 can deal with, which is 10 to 14,000 exchanges each second. The plasma-based sidechain design additionally permits it to increment proficiency while lessening carbon impression by diminishing the power use up to 99% contrasted with Ethereum. This is cosmically high while likewise diminishing expenses up to 66% of the ordinary charge. This is finished while ensuring that the resources remain got by the Ethereum blockchain network. As indicated by the site, OMG network is likewise getting a rebrand as OMG Foundation. With millions brought up in the last round of financing around $80 million in Series C subsidizing, OMG at long last sees a few achievement and genuinely necessary acknowledgement from the crypto market. In the same way as other cryptographic forms of money, the administration holds some stockpile of the complete portion of coins. As the most extreme stockpile is fixed, there is supposed to be a greatest cap of precisely 140,245,398 OMG at the present time. Dissimilar to numerous other digital currencies, the all-out supply has proactively been completely stamped, with around 65% flowing through dynamic financial backers. OMG network market sentiment. The ongoing cost going off is being credited to financial backer energy. OMG Network Group is carrying out a few new turns of events, which should be visible on their task site. OMG token holders are qualified for BOBA administration token, which has been in the news as of late. As per the venture site, BOBA network is an Ethereum layer 2 hopeful roll-up scaling arrangement. The point is to decrease gas charges, further develop the exchange throughput and expand the abilities of shrewd agreements. Named BOBA network, the venture is a layer 2 arrangement that will permit exchanges of most digital currencies to have an installment interaction at a lightning-quick speed. This will expand the perceivability of cryptos as a suitable opponent to Visa and MasterCard. In the event that this innovation has an impact on the way how the world handles monetary forms, it will be the following enormous thing in the fintech world. We should investigate industry specialists and best digital currency figure stages perspectives on the OMG network cost expectations. Based on our OMG cost forecasts, a drawn-out increment is normal. The OMG network cost estimate for 2026 is $19.232. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 283.72%. As per their OMG cost figure, the coin could cross $7.30 before the current year's over and $9.67 by 2026. OMG network cost has been showing a rising propensity, and our information demonstrates that the OMG cost has been on an upturn for the beyond 1 year. The future cost of OMG is anticipated at $26.01964 following a year, as per our expectation. OMG Technical Analysis. Assuming that we see how well it is doing, the OMG network cost is at 3 years high, with the ongoing cost exchanging at $5. This high, whenever proceeded, can overwhelm 4 years high in no less than a year, it keeps a decent up-moving business sector. The value history of OMG network isn't that great in the past 2 years. The cost changes have not been fascinating for crypto exchanging this time span. The drop in cost in 2018 was basically because of the restricting of OMG digital currency in the trades, bringing about high unpredictability at those key levels. With its new high of $5.01 since its underlying stages, OMG network seems to be a decent chance for brokers. However, is it adequate at this cost to purchase OMG network? Is the OMG market currently far beyond the best section point? How about we find out with the specialized investigation? The ongoing cost of OMG network is $5.01, with the crypto positioning at number 101. The market capitalization of OMG network is around $699,630,149.64 and a flowing stockpile of around 140,245,398 OMG coins, which is the most extreme coin limit. The most recent 24 hours ups and downs have been $5.10 and $4.80, separately. The aggregation has been consistently expanding throughout the past year and is as yet steady, with the OMG breaking out this moment, beating different estimates. The ongoing business sector cost shows a positive feeling developing, with the steady cost volume activity meant by the green lines on volume. The diagram is way over the parabolic SAR, and the accumulation, distribution indicator is additionally moving upwards pleasantly. The passage for dealers could be the new high framed, yet it is smarter to have a decent union and put market orders when the cost drop reoccurs. This is a decent system to enter utilizing the cup and handle design. However long the cost stays over its 50-day moving normal, the section ought to be great for dealers to use as a passage. The benefit taking can be made by involving exit systems for cryptos since they are substantially more unstable. So utilizing the right leave technique to bring in cash is the only thing that is important. Utilizing a short combination base, a dealer or a financial backer can enter during the development of the OMG network and leave when the instability is low. OMG price prediction 2022. With the OMG cost expectation for 2022.